As soon as Kim turned around, he knew he had no play.
So Dubon moves down to second. Here's Chadwick Tromp. And he takes just a bit high. No swing.
Tromp with the Reds last year. You take a look at his minor league numbers. He hit about 258 lifetime and whatnot. But he's really started to change things as he's gotten older. Remember, he came into the game. He was about 16 years old. But he's got different strength now. He's got more power up around the letters that used to be a weakness. He's taken swing out. He's gotten quicker. He has definitely opened some eyes here this last couple weeks.
And he opened them by hitting the ball out of the park.
Had 2 in 1 game.
In tight, not by much, 2-0. The leadoff hitter, Austin Slater's on deck. We're in the top of the second inning. This game is at the Coliseum. Not us. We're inside at the NBC Sports Bay Area studios. The pitch is low, 3-0. To Trump, and he gets the green light, hits it into the hole, and no play by Simeon. The bases are loaded.
Now batting, number 13, Austin Slater.
Just perfectly placed. Very frustrating for a pitcher who